Hello, I'm Mark Anthony Mapili from CIT 03302A, PSCP, and this is my post of sale program. So, of course, let's start with our pinaka-main. So, yeah, main entry point natin is, of course, right off the bat, I will be prompted sa login form natin which I just manifested from our previous project. Yung login form. So, yun, may binago lang naman na konti. Anyways, still same pa rin ang ano natin, let's say admin. And this time, tinanggal ko na attempt counter where if mali yung password natin, will be just here indefinitely. Pero yun, para madali lang naman siya i-test since post of sale pa lang naman to. Hindi pa naman ito yung basta startup kumbaga. Anyways, yun. Pero still, I use a action listener or key listener para if we just press enter on our keyboard, will be and teleport na lang yung cursor natin sa password and we can just go right through in. Say, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wala na akong lock at dialogue. Anyways, so as you can see, ito na yung POS ko. As you can see, our goal is to like have an AM5 PC builder. Ang AM5 is like only exclusive to like, yun, DDR5 na Ryzen CPUs. So yun, din natin ang compatibility. Siyempre, if AM5 yan, let's say yung AM5 or DDR5 yung CPU mo na Ryzen, we need a compatible motherboard and as well, compatible RAM as well. So ayun, so ayun yung napili kong, what do you call that, yung gawin ganito. Anyways, yun. As you can see, we are greeted right off the bat sa CPU. And yeah, may nilagay na rin ako dito. We have like three tiers right here. Actually, hindi siya three tiers pala. We have like each product has, ayun, ito yung tier nila, which is if high-end pa sila, mid-range, and budget. Nilagay ko yan para may guide ang consumers kung ano yung like, kunyari, itong CPU na to, why does it cost so much? Like, what ano ba 'to? Ba't parang magkalayo yung presyo nila compared dito sa budget na Ryzen 5 7600, 'di ba? Ayan, at least may guide na sila on and kung bakit nga ba mahal 'to. Anyways, if you want the best of the best, yun. So, as you can see, ito yung ano natin, main window nga pala. Okay, sorry. So, as you can see, ito yung sidebar natin. Nandito yung vertical categories natin which is yun yan nga yung napiliin natin CPU at MOBA at saka RAM combination for the AM5. So this purely for Ryzen's system only. So yun, if gusto mo compatible yan, lahat naman to compatible. You just have to like pick your combo if i-check out mo. So anyways, mm, ayun na nga, I added a and plus or minus if na per quantity if you want. And yan, let's say bibili tayo isang CPU. Siyempre high-end na tayo, 'di ba? Yaman, eh, 'no? Anyways, ito pala yung cart natin. Ito yung cart window. As you can see, nililista dito sa cart na 'to yung pangalan ng ating product. So yan, it just repeats itself here and here. And makikita dito yung quantity niya. So if we press another 2, ayan, hindi siya nag-o-overlap. I mean, parang hindi siya nag-o-overwrite pala, kumbaga. So, you just have to, para magiging dalawa na lang siya. So, if you want, ayun lang, bawal tayo mag-remove. Pero yan, ito yung presyo niya and total. Nakalista niya dyan. And, ayun, automatically, nagto-total na siya by itself. So, let's say, yan. Dapat actually, hindi na natin eh. Pero yan, Mobo. Let's say, syempre, high-end na yung CPU natin. Since tatlo yung binili natin, diba? Okay, tagayin na rin natin tatlo to. Yan, tatlong high-end. God damn, ang mahal na agad, oh. 240K, 250K to be exact. So, yan. CPU and Mobo pa lang yan. So, let's say you'll be building like 3 pieces na PC na high-end. Anyways, ito. As you can see dito naman sa RAM, ayan high-end, mid-range, and budget. The quality is like nakadepende pa rin talaga sa budget. As you can see, mas mataas ang capacity and the latency that you can get compared sa, yeah, standard na budget, which is only caps at 4,800 megahertz. Unlike, yeah, medyo ito sweet spot. I can recommend ito. Anyways, since tatlong piece yung bibilhin natin, syempre high-end na. Yan. Actually, 3 sticks of RAM, that's not enough. And dapat nagre-reset nito, pero I think that's fine enough. So let's say, tag to 2 sticks sila, di ba? So let's add another 6. So yan, 313 ang, ayan, para makabuo ka na ng EM5 na PC na compatible sa lahat. You just have to like buy a, yun nga, discrete graphics card, and case, PC case, and everything. Pero ito lang yung goal natin. So, if we need to, ano pala muna, we need to input our cash muna. Let's say 313. If hindi enough yung cost natin, let's say 20 lang. Why is it 10? Oh, never mind. 20 lang. Tapos ipipay natin. Siyempre, yan lalabas ang dialogue na yun. Sufficient cash. So, we have to like, tapatan natin or even dapat sobra. Kahit sakto, wala kayong matitirang software kasi ima-minus niya lang. So, let's say 320 na lang. 320,000. Yan. I-pay natin. As you can see, here is our receipt window na magpapakita. We have, yan, 1 times, 2 times, yan. Nandito na, magto-total lahat. Ito yung cash natin and ima-minus niya lang, which will come to 6,200 ang ating change. Anyways, I added yan, sa okay, makikita nyo may underline. And yan, I think that's about it. Yan, hopefully nagustuhan nyo ang aking POS, ang munting aking point of sale na program. That's all and thank you for watching. Adios.